और बिहार के दंगल में जो एलजेपी है यानी लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी है, समाज जो पार्टी है जो कि रामविलास पासवान की पार्टी है, उस पार्टी को बीजेपी वोट कटुआ पार्टी मान रही है। अब ये बात और है कि वो किसके इशारे पे चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं एलजेपी, ये सबको पता हो सकता है, लेकिन सुशील मोदी तो हमारे साथ बातचीत में यही कह रहे हैं कि वो गठबंधन में नहीं है, इसलिए उनको 2 से 3 से ज्यादा सीट मिलेंगी नहीं।
अबाउट दिस एलजेपी बीजेपी का जो सारा ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है, कई लोग अभी भी मान नहीं रहे हैं कि कोई असलियत में ब्रेकडाउन है। ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बैकरूम डील बिटवीन द एलजेपी एंड द बीजेपी। Was this a backroom deal that the LJP left you?
Actually speaking, this is a media creation by some vested media houses.
अच्छा.
Otherwise, what BJP is the interest if LJP is fighting on some seats against JDU? और अगर से करंट JDU सीटें हारता है, तो क्या LJP बिहार में 2-3 सीट से ज्यादा जीतने की ताकत रखता है क्या? जो आज LJP का देखिए, LJP जब तक किसी पार्टी से लाइन नहीं करती है, till they join any alliance, either Mahagठबंधन or NDA,
they are not able to win.
They can't even win 2 or 3 seats in Bihar.
So but they are saying they are saying they're still part of NDA.
They may saying, but is NDA saying? But because NDA has made it clear not once but twice, thrice, for each and every leader has made it clear.
Yes.
That LJP is not part of NDA in Bihar.
At
there
all.
are only 4 parties, and in each and every public meetings.
Yes.
I'm asking, I'm telling the people, don't waste your vote by voting to LJP candidates.
Okay.
So they are like a vote katua. And this is a design, I think, some strategist, some brain behind.
Who is the brain behind this?
I don't want to name. We know, but I don't want to name it.
But that's why there's still some uncertainty.
And you must remember,
yes.
In 2000, Nitish Kumar party, yes, in 2000, we had 64 MLAs in Bihar Assembly. And Nitish Kumar party had only 36 or 37 MLAs. Still, Nitish Kumar was the chief minister. He took oath as a chief minister, and BJP decided that Nitish Kumar will be the chief minister.
No, but that is a very different time, Sushil Kumarji, because today, in 2020,
yes.
Today you are fighting the same number of seats, almost the same number of seats as the JDU, which has never happened for all these years. They have always been the big brother, you have been the small brother. Now you are at barabar. That is why there is a doubt about what is the BJP's game plan.
इसलिए मैं ये डाउट को क्लियर करना चाहूंगा. The number is not important how much number BJP wins or JDU. अगर बीजेपी की ज्यादा हो या कम हो या JDU की जो भी नंबर हो, नीतीश कुमार बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री होंगे. वंस अगेन मैं फिर इस बात की घोषणा करना चाहूंगा थ्रू योर चैनल NDTV. नीतीश कुमार इज चीफ मिनिस्टर. नीतीश कुमार will be chief minister. Regardless of any number.
Okay, but you are so confident of the result of the victory. But Tejasvi Yadav is saying, why is then Nitish ji repeatedly bringing up Lalu Rabri Raj, which is now more than 15 years ago? कि उस टाइम ये हुआ वो हुआ. अगर सिचुएशन आपकी आज की इतनी अच्छी होती, then why go on bringing them up? Is there some doubt that people are actually
इसका डाउट से क्या संबंध?
Not very,
because
they're not very content.
Because he has inherited that jungle Raj and the kind of tickets they have distributed. So he has not come out of the shadow of Lalu Prasad Yadav. So naturally,
Tejasvi has not come out.
Yes. So naturally, he is our main opponent. So when they got 15 years to rule in Bihar, the kind of governance they gave to Bihar, बिहार को जिस तरह से उन्होंने गवर्नेंस दिया, बिहार का नाम जैसे बदनाम हुआ, तो लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए ना कि ये कौन लोग हैं, इनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी क्या है. आप अगर ये मैनिफेस्टो में ये टुमारो यू डिक्लेयर that we will land in moon, we will take 100 people from Bihar, चांद पर ले जाएंगे. The people are going to believe. You say that we will give so much jobs and so many things. So see, the credibility.
You think that there's a lot of doubts about his credibility, and you're saying the kind of tickets he's distributed, which includes those to people who have a long criminal record. You're saying that shows that Tejasvi has not come out of that.
He can't come out.
He can't come out.
He can't come out. Because the kind of culture, the kind of his party's culture is like that. So even if he tries to come out, and if he will not try, because he is inherited Lalu Prasad Yadav's legacy.
But
So
Sushil Kumar ji, that you will concede that in Bihar, all parties, including yours and the JDU,
no, you say
candidates
regarding
with criminal
नहीं,
links.
regarding BJP, you can't say a single candidate we have जिसको हम लोगों ने खड़ा किया. मेरे पर भी 1 दर्जन केसेस. आई एम नॉट अ क्रिमिनल.
नहीं, serious charges, serious
नहीं,
charges.
वही कह रहे हैं, एक भी हमारे कैंडिडेट पर कोई सीरियस चार्जेस नहीं
JDU
है.
पे तो हैं.
तो जेडीयू लाइन्स पार्टनर्स के ऊपर होगा तो उसकी जिम्मेवारी, उसका जवाब तो वही देंगे. मैं तो उसका जवाब नहीं दे सकता
अच्छा.
हूँ.